Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 933. The number 933 is made up of the qualities and energies of the numbers 9 and 3, with the number 3 showing up twice to make its effects stronger. Number 9 is about endings and conclusions, and it has to do with the universal spiritual laws, a higher perspective, non-conformity, influence, setting a good example for others, being kind, helping others, being altruistic, and working with light. Number 3 has to do with self-expression and communication, making your desires come true, being optimistic and having a lot of energy, having natural skills and talents, being friendly and sociable, creating and being creative, being friendly, growing, expanding, and understanding the laws of increase. The vibrations of the Ascended Masters are also felt in the number 3. Angel number 933 is a strong sign that you should let go of things in your life that are no longer helping you. Let the old things go and don't hold on to things out of fear. It is very important that you have a positive view of yourself and your future and have positive expectations for both. Ask your guardian angels to help you keep a positive attitude and outlook. Don't let anything bad stop or slow you down. Your angels and the Ascended Masters are always there to help and encourage you. Angel number 933 means that angels and other higher spiritual beings are always there for you, surrounding you and loving you. Know that your soul's purpose is to use your natural talents and creativity to help and teach other people. Be ready to get the rewards and blessings you've earned. Do things that make you feel creative, happy, and loving, because when you do, you make yourself more open to having more good things happen to you. If you're really interested in something and want to pursue it, you should make sure your life is in line with your goals and desires and give yourself chances to do it. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.